my name is Bella Braids. We have the same braids, but that's okay.
If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe
To our
now
channel.
and click the notification bell para lagi kayo updated.
And of course, like and share this video.
Like and share and subscribe.
Let's
Okay.
go!
By the way, guys, I just want to be a small content creator, so please support me. I'm not a bad content creator, so please
She's a
support
good
me.
content creator.
But anyways, I'm going to play
Blush Cannon.
Tower.
That's Ken. This is Cannon, bro.
If you want to add us, guys,
Comment down your...
below. Comment lang kayo sa akin and sasabihin ko lang sa kanya na gusto niyo siya i-add. And ako. And guys, namamansin po akong content creator. So, namamansin po kami dalawa kasi po, hindi pa naman po kami gaano kayaman sa subscribers.
We're-
Pero kahit mayaman naman po kami sa subscribers, wala rin po kami pake kasi po,
So guys, please
ang dami pong nag-subscribe sa amin.
Guys, please subscribe because I have to make my, if I reach 50 subscribers, I can finally make my first live.
Alam mo, ang wish subscribers ko is 30 lang. 30. Kasi para sa akin, madami na yun eh.
Guys, please subscribe because if I reach...
I fall again!
Me too! I just fall too. Oh my god, I almost at the end. Ah!
I see you fall.
Wow! This is so hard. But that's okay, I have shift block, so don't worry about that.
Sorry guys, because he's yelling. He's yelling.
Oh!
Are you hungry on this game, bro? This is just a game. This is not your enemy. Or what?
OMG. Oh! You just fall
The
again.
bacon just pushed me. But I don't know if the bacon pushed me. But maybe he didn't. Because
Bro, this game has no pushing.
that's why I'm saying maybe he didn't push me. By the way, guys, before matingnan mo ang avatar namin, napapunta muna kami sa bacon. Kaya po, di po kami nag-yard. Kaya po, sinabi
Oh no! I'm almost there!
I'm almost there but I fall again.
Bro, we have to... Wow. I can't leave this
I'm
game.
sorry guys kasi kakaunti pa lang ang aking video.
That's mine is the biggest because I have 103 videos. So,
And guys, yung short ano ko naman video.
oh no!
Dalawa lang din. And guys, di po kami mag-face
Because she has a least subscriber, so subscribe to her so she can make her own first live too.
And guys, magpe-first reveal po kami pag nakaabot kami ng 1K. Pero,
Oh, if you I know I saw YouTuber that reached 100K, but she got a play button, or he. Okay, we can face reveal at next year, or I know don't.
second year.
Oh, that's way too long. We,
Okay.
what happens if we face reveal? Oh my God, bro, I'm lagging.
Guys, ayaw po namin mag-face reveal kasi po, baka may basher po kami. Baka po judge yung face namin. Sabi, ang bata.
Bro, I saw your profile. You already saw your face.
Sorry guys, if nakita hindi. Kasi yung nakawaki ako, nakaganon eh.
Oh nga.
Hindi pa nila nakikita yung face ko, yung buo ko.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Oo, mahulog ako.
Guys,
Ay,
guys.
mahulog!
Whoa, are you close?
I fall.
Ay-
Yes, I'm close.
Bro, you always fall.
Oh, I fall again.
Bro, this is... Oh, yes. Alexa, you see me? I see you.
Wait.
Oh my God.
We're jumping, right? Wait,
Yes.
wait that.
I'm jumping rightly. Bro, I'm almost there. Oh, yes. No, I'm almost there.
Same. But guys, anyways, kaya po sa next year pa po kami, or second year,
Or
magpe-face reveal.
because we can't because if we, but first we have to ask you questions before we face reveal, like our age, or like our age, where do you live, or we have a secret best friend or not.
And guys, of course, may i-ask din po ako na, ay pati po, magtatanong-tanong po kami para malaman
Because-
po namin kung innocent po kayo. Like,
Like,
ano po kayo, hindi po talaga kayo basher. Like that, hindi kami ka.
yes.
And of course, guys,
Oh,
dahil namamansin naman kami, guys, nakalimutan ko yung sasabihin ko.
that's okay.
Dahil namamansin naman kami, guys, pwede nyo kami tanongin ng kahit ano pong tanong. Basta
Guess,
tapos,
guess, ha?
sasagutin po namin.
Example, if you comment what's your ages, then
Hindi
we,
po namin sasagot yung mga sinasabi nyo, what's my age, what's my grade,
But you have to-
what's my name, cause privacy po namin yun. Pero
yes, you have to
yung
guess.
name naman po, sasabihin po namin, pero hulaan yung age namin. Okay?
Yes, if you guess your age, you finally got a point.
Pero guys, pag sabi kami maybe, pag sinabi namin halimbawa, sinabi nyo 8, sasabihin namin maybe, malapit po yun sa age na sinabi.
Yes, you can spell our letters if you want.
And guys, if nahulaan nyo naman yung spelling din ng name namin,
Oh no!
if nahulaan nyo naman guys yung spelling ng name namin, kahit ano pong game ang sabihin nyo gagawin po namin.
Yes, but
Kasi
if
po, pag nahulaan nyo,
and of course we can tell our what we are from, like that. And of course it
but
takes
sasabihin lang po namin yung lugar, di po namin sasabihin yung barangay.
yes,
Kasi
but
po, syempre po, privacy
and of course we have to show our house looks like or inside and outside.
I'm sorry
but-
guys, I will not do that because I am just poor.
That's okay. We're just normal. We're not richer.
I'm normal, but we always don't have money.
But sometimes I have money like 1,000 like that. But
We only just have 100, like,
only 1,000. I can only reach 1,000.
I can't reach it.
I just found this video with It's Sarah just explaining all of the questions. It was so much fun.
And guys,
Oh no!
pag may basher naman po kami, ang ginagawa po namin,
Guys, please don't laugh or with the, because don't guys please don't laugh our faces because our face sometimes are not pretty or pretty, but that's okay. Please don't.
very Mika, because that didn't make ugly. We all pretty and handsome.
Hmm? Okay.
But if they
Oh no!
judge us, we will have.
Guys, please vote our faces and make sure. And of course, I voice reveal at Rainbow Healing Tower. So, and of course, Alyssa, what did you voice reveal?
At the first video.
Oh, that's why.
But guys, yung boses po namin is pang-bata. Pero,
Yes, but we're not kids anymore. We are teenagers. Teen? Like teen or teen?
teen pa lang po.
Yes, but we're not adults yet, so don't talk about adults. Just like it's Sarah.
Adult like 20.
20 up to 20 because we have to guess.
Guys,
OMG, I kept all falling. Falling down.
naliliyo na yung mga manonood. Yung mga nanonood. Kasi,
Guys, if we can reach 1K likes if we have to reach 100 subscribers.
guys, pasensya na kasi kami namin sinasabi kasi lagi pa kami nakatulog.
Yes, that's.
Mika, where are you? Oh, I see you now.
Oh, bro, I keep falling. I'm almost over there. But, bro, ew.
What?
What? Nothing.
Can we play another type?
Wait.
But wait, we need to do. We
So-
don't.
Guys, so see you at. Hi, guys.
Guys, see you at part 2. But yung part 2 namin guys, iba na. Kasi
Yes.
guys, sorry po. Hindi po talaga namin ito magawa-gawa ng kanya na to. So,
Yes,
itong
but-
kanya na lang guys. Bye-bye!
Bye.